Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Donald Siame, author of Hidden Mathematical Genius Within Revealed. Today we are looking at statistics, particularly how to calculate standard deviations. And to calculate standard deviation, we will need just these two formulas. X bar, that is mean, is equal to summation of fx over summation of f. Summation means the total sum. SD, that is standard deviation, is equal to summation of fx squared over summation of f minus x bar squared. So we need to come up with a table of values which will contain x, fx, fx squared, and summation of f. Let's go to the questions. A farmer planted 60 fruit trees. In a certain month, the number of fruits per tree was recorded, and the results were as shown in the table below. So we have fruits per tree, and the number of trees, that is frequency. Okay, so here the fruits per tree will represent x. So we are going to have x values.
Following him is not about spending time in temples without.
We also need frequency.
Spending time doing his will. It is worrisome how humanity.
So according to the formulas, to have our x bar, we will need also fx. Fx means f multiplied by x, that is frequency multiplied by frequency multiplied by x. Okay, we also need fx squared. Okay, so the first value there is 2. The frequency is 1. The second value is 3. The frequency is 5. We have 4, frequency 4. We have 5, frequency 6. We have 6, frequency is 10. We have 7, and frequency is 16. Then we have 8, the frequency is 18. Then we will need summation, that is their total. Okay, so fx, it means f multiplied by frequency. So we have 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, 5 multiplied by 6 is 30, 6 multiplied by 10 is 60, 7 multiplied by 16, 7 multiplied by 16, 7 multiplied by 16, you get 112, 8 multiplied by 18, you get 144. Okay, then we need the total for this. Okay, so here there is 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6. Here we're supposed to have 60. So it's 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 16 plus 18. So you get 60. You have 60 there. And the total for fx, we have 2 plus 15 plus 16 plus 30 plus 60 plus 112 plus 144. We get 379. Okay, so since we have total for fx and total for f, then we can calculate x bar, that is mean. So x bar is equal to summation of fx over summation of f. So fx, summation of fx is 379 divided by summation for f is 60. So we are going to have 379 divided by 60, and you get it is 6.31 666 666 and 7. Okay, when we then we move on to fx squared. So fx squared is just the square of x, then multiplied by f. Okay, so we have 2 squared is 4. 2 squared is 4, multiplied by 1 is 4. 3 squared is 9, multiplied by 5, that is 45. 4 squared is 16, multiplied by 4, that is 64. 5 squared is 25, then 25 multiplied by 6, you get 150. 6 squared is 36. 36 multiplied by 10, you get 360. 7 squared is 49. Then 49 multiplied by 16, you get 784. 8 squared is 64. Then 64 multiplied by 18, you get 1152. Then you get the total for that fx squared. So we have 4 plus 45 plus 64 plus 150 plus 360 plus 784 plus 1152 equals, so the total there is 2559. Okay, so since we have fx squared, fx and f and x bar, then we can calculate standard deviation. Okay, so standard deviation is equal to the square root of summation of fx squared over summation of f minus x bar squared. Okay, so this is equal to the square root of summation of fx squared. We have 2559 divided by summation of f is 60, then minus x bar, we have 6.31666666 6, then 7 squared. Okay, so this is equal to, you say it's 2559 divided by 60, then this is minus, we have 6.31 66666 6 7 squared. Okay, so we have, it is the square root of, it is 2.74 972218. So this is equal to, so you say square root answer. So we are going to have 1.658228639. Okay, then we need to round off to 3 significant figures, and we can say that 3 significant figures will stop at 5. Then the next digit there is 8, which is 5 and above, so we can add a 1. So we are going to have 1.66. So that is the standard deviation. So this is how you perform calculations to do with standard deviation. Thank you so much for your time.